The wife of legendary Jamaican reggae singer Wailer is still missing.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Wailer and his family have expanded the search for his missing wife, Jean Watt, across Jamaica's 14 parishes. Wailer's son, Asadenaki, in a lengthy message on social media on Monday the 13th of July, revealed that the family have hired a private investigator who has successfully checked all hospitals, golden age homes, police stations and morgues, which has given the family hope that she has not been hurt or passed away. According to Asadenaki, the private investigator believes that his 70-year-old stepmother may be in the care of someone, perhaps a family member or otherwise. He has advised that anyone who comes in contact with Miss Watt should approach her calmly and with love due to her mental state.
First of all, thank you so much for the opportunity. Really and truly, the situation, as stressful it is for the family, is one that, we're still approaching with a positive attitude, because the truth is, based on the people we've been talking to and the leads we've been getting, sounds like something out there. We just need to team up now and bring her forward in. So people them can really and truly just look out. We've been putting the posters out, sending out her pictures, the new poster that has 3 different pictures, because we just want people them can identify her. Everybody don't know her face as Wailer's wife, because as she lives her life, she don't really out and about, you know what I mean? So right now, we just want to get everybody to know her face, so that in the event that them see her, they can call us at 513-5005-850-4403, and the number to WhatsApp a picture or anything, 819-7581. If you see her and you approach her, still approach her with love. Calm, you know what I say? Talk to her. Her name is Sister Jean, so say Sister Jean, and she answer. You approach with love, and that's how she will respond. So I just want to thank the people them, keeping us in their heart, in their prayers.
Posters have been placed across Jamaica seeking information regarding the whereabouts of Miss Watt. The family is currently offering $1 million Jamaican dollars for the recovery of any valid information leading to the safe return of Miss Watt, better known as Sister Jean. Miss Watt was last seen walking along the streets of Kingston on Saturday the 23rd of May.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Stitch saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.